Today, I'm going to tell you the story of the clockwork cat who chased eternal midnight. Let's begin our adventure. In the ticking heart of a grand clock tower, deep within an enchanted forest, there resided a peculiar creature named Midnight. Unlike other cats, Midnight was not made of fur and bones, but of brass and gears. He had a heart that clicked instead of thumping, and his eyes shone like twin globes of polished silver. Midnight's family, the clockwork animals, lived harmoniously with time itself. They spent their days winding down and unwinding, marking each moment as it passed in their silent, mechanical ballet. Yet, Midnight was different. He had a dream that stirred his gears and made him yearn for something more than the rhythm of minutes and hours. One fateful night, as Midnight sat by the tower's window, he noticed a peculiar sight. A brilliant star seemed to flicker in the sky, casting an eerie glow over the forest floor. It was eternal midnight, a star that never dimmed, which only appeared on rare occasions. Midnight felt drawn to it. He wanted to chase after this celestial enigma, to understand what it was and why it captivated him so. So, with a determined click of his heart, Midnight embarked on an adventure unlike any other. Through moonlit forests, over rivers that whispered ancient secrets, and across hills that cradled the dreams of forgotten nights, Midnight journeyed. He encountered creatures both friendly and fearsome, each with their own tales to tell. A wise old owl shared a map of the skis. A sneaky fox gave him a silver bell that could guide him through the darkest nights. As Midnight neared eternal midnight, he found himself in a dense thicket where time seemed to stand still. Suddenly, he heard a voice echoing from the star itself, a voice that resonated within his heart and made all of his gears hum with excitement. The voice spoke of dreams and wishes, of hopes and desires, and the endless possibilities that lay beyond the boundaries of time. Midnight was enchanted by eternal midnight's beauty, but soon realized that it could not be touched or held. It was a symbol of the infinite, everlasting nature of dreams. Touched by this revelation, Midnight understood the true value of each moment. Every tick and tock, every minute and hour were precious in their own right. With renewed purpose, Midnight returned to his clock tower home. He shared his adventure with his family, who marveled at the tales of far-off lands and mysterious creatures. But most importantly, he told them about eternal midnight and its powerful message, that every moment is an opportunity to dream, to hope, and to create. From then on, the clockwork animals lived each day with a renewed sense of purpose, cherishing the rhythm of time and the dreams it carried within. And Midnight, well, he continued his own dance, forever seeking new adventures and chasing the dreams that flickered like stars in the sky. And so, they all learned that life is a beautiful clockwork dance, where each moment is a tick or a tock, a dream or a wish, and that every day presents endless opportunities for growth, exploration, and adventure. And in the end, it was Midnight's journey that brought them all closer together, reminding them that it's not just about reaching the destination, but enjoying the dance along the way.